Commerce Cloud lets you start selling online fast with the world's most trusted commerce platform. First, merchandisers have access to hundreds of out-of-the-box features, drag-and-drop tools, and commerce portals, alongside Salesforce CMS, to easily create and deliver premium, content-rich experiences. And they're able to use Einstein Intelligence to increase average order value and shopper engagement, all while boosting merchandiser productivity, to deliver a seamless, one-touch, mobile checkout. Then Salesforce Order Management empowers customers with self-service capabilities like curbside pickup and chat, while empowering service teams to connect with customers to automate the order process, managing workflows with a shared shopper profile, inventory records, and data set, to make order modifications, cancellations, or returns a breeze. And everything is connected to Customer 360 data, so you can quickly build an integrated B2B commerce channel with all the functionality business buyers demand, including two-click reordering through a personalized experience. Finally, buyer managers have the control to set up account-based rules such as contract pricing, custom catalogs, and approval workflows, providing a seamless checkout with the ability to handle thousands of SKUs, splitting routing orders, and personalizing payment options for each account. Digitize your business with quick start commerce solutions for B2C and B2B commerce and order management from Commerce Cloud.